Hey guys, back with another tutorial video. So today, I'm gonna show you how to actually add like a audio to your avatar. A lot of people would want to know, some people kind of don't, but the way to do it is kind of simple. So all you need to do, go to here, go to the thing on the avatar, add component and source up audio, and then audio source. And then you'll be like, now what? And you see this, that's fine. And then all you gotta do is go and get I hope I made this short. Then you have your audio. So then here, just find it and then play on Awaken. I mean, if you wanna make it like so, as soon as you join the game or lobby, it plays it or whatever. They pitch and stuff. I'm gonna maybe that down. There was a thing so you can play the audio. I don't know where it is. I thought there was. Maybe there. But then when I think it should play when you go on the play. Uh, wait, what's this? It's supposed to play. Maybe. I don't know why it's not wanting to work, but look. So when you do that and do the audio, put the thing in, and put it on like play on Awaken. You don't have to add any toggles; it will just be there. And then when you go to upload it, you guys already know. I don't feel like logging in, so then when you done uploading and use the avatar, and then as soon as you get in, it might take a second for whichever sound you're using or music. But yeah, and so yeah, when you get into like a lobby or the game, it will start playing the sound. And last video, of how to make a simple Vrchat crashel, it got 70 views. So guys, I reckon you guys might be able to do this. Get this video up to 80 or likes. And so yeah, like and subscribe for maybe more tutorial videos. And Baba Boy, peace.